The camera department plays a critical role in the success of film production by ensuring that the visual elements are captured in a way that aligns with the director's vision and enhances the storytelling experience for audiences. The camera department for our film production will consist of a director of photography, a camera operator, a first assistant camera, first AC, and a second assistant camera, second AC. For our film production, we plan to employ the director of photography on a contract basis, unlike the other crew members who will be employed on a weekly or daily basis. We have budgeted $60,000 for our DP, with fringes added on. We plan to allow 1 day of prep for the camera operator to check equipment and 8 weeks of principal photography at a rate of $1,750 per week. The first assistant cameraman will be with us for 2 days of prep for equipment checkup and for the load-in day. They will also be with the production for the duration of principal photography, and we will allow 1 day for equipment wrap-up and returns. The second assistant cameraman will be with us for 1 day of prep, 8 weeks of principal photography, and 1 day of wrap. We also require a Steadicam operator for 10 days at a rate of $900 per day, including their gear. We will also have a still photographer for 30 days of principal photography. The still photographer will be responsible for taking marketing photos, such as promotional stills of the cast and behind-the-scenes shots that can be used for marketing materials and social media. We can budget $300 per day for the still photographer, which includes their equipment and expenses. Aerial photography is a valuable tool for capturing unique perspectives of a location or subject, and it continues to evolve with new technologies and innovations. Let's add $2,500 to cover our drone days. The video assist operator is responsible for managing and maintaining the video assist equipment, which typically includes a monitor, recording devices, and cables. We will require a video assistant for the duration of principal photography plus the usual fringes attached. Our camera package will include 3 cameras in it, a bunch of high-priced lenses, tripods, and all sorts of batteries, memory cards, and so on. We can allocate $4,500 per week for our camera package. Under our purchases, we can list $1,000 per week for all our camera expendables, which include items such as camera tape, lens cleaning supplies, replacement batteries, gaffer tape, camera filters, and other small items that are necessary for the smooth functioning of the camera equipment. Camera expendables are used up or worn out during the course of a shoot and need to be regularly replaced. We'll need to add an extra $150 per week for the first assistant cameraman's box rental fee, and include $2,500 for potential loss and damage coverage for the camera department. Before renting a camera package, it is important to determine exactly what equipment and accessories you will need for your shoot and to inspect the equipment to ensure it is in good working condition. This will help avoid any issues during the shoot and ensure that you are not responsible for any damage that was present before the rental period. The camera rental vendor will play an essential role during principal photography, as equipment will need to be swapped on a daily basis. Therefore, it is crucial to choose a reliable and reputable rental vendor to ensure that your production runs smoothly. As with the electrical package, it is important to pay attention to the equipment that is being loaded into the camera package. Often, Extra equipment is added to the package without proper communication or approval from the production team, leading to unexpected costs and potential equipment conflicts during principal photography. Moving on to the next department, set dressing.